Good boy. Who suffers more when we're separated, right? You always miss your dogs when they're not around you, and then sometimes I imagine he probably might miss me.
Zach? Hey, what's up? Oh, he's a good boy.
I guess I have like super big dreams in animal technology. I would really like it if we started developing technology that give animals more control over their life. And so my sort of end goal of this is to really make technology that really improves an animal's life.